Oh, hey, fancy seeing you here. It's a bit awkward, I'm just on the way to work, but you know, we're recording our audiobook today, How to Live Vegan. I think we talked about that already, so we actually don't have time for a BOSH Boys vlog with you today. But fear not, we're gonna go back in time to when we were in LA and we ate at the most amazing place. It was called Healthy Junk in Anaheim. This place has got gorgeous, delicious, healthy junk food, and we ate everything on the menu. Before we get into that, do subscribe if you're not already, because we make delicious vegan journey videos and vegan recipe videos every day. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments, and now we'll go back in time.
Okay, so here we are outside this wonderful little restaurant called Healthy Junk. Now, yesterday we had a fair few beers. The hangover today is extremely real. Very much looking forward to all of the food, but the Anaheim burger, as soon as we are in Anaheim, is really tickling my fancy. As is the fish tacos, because I've become very, very fond of fish tacos because of the guys at Club Mexicana. So hopefully these are going to be as good, if not better.
So this is their fajita bowl. I was really excited to try this because I wanted to get some color into my body. This looks gorgeous. Really, really tasty fajita bowl. We've got all those classic flavors in there. You've got the onions, you've got the peppers, you've got the flavor of the avocado coming through with the guacamole, and also it's all brought together by that gorgeous, citrusy, acidic salsa.
So this is the sauerkraut bratwurst hot dog. See how it tastes. That sausage is exactly like a sort of Lincolnshire pork sausage. It's really, really meaty.
This is the mighty kale, which I'm very excited to try. Apparently it's their most popular salad. And you know us, we're always trying to get green stuff into our body. Kale is so good for you. Let's see how it tastes. Gorgeous. It's got mango, it's got tomatoes, you've got some quinoa in there, some red cabbage and some kale, and a kind of sweet citrusy dressing.
This is chicken of the seitan variety with buffalo sauce and ranch dressing. Wow. So, the crumb is really, really crunchy. It's almost got a skin to it. Yeah, this is really, really good. The texture is wonderful as well.
Look, there's a little bird come for some food.
He wants to eat with us and he's welcome.
Maybe he heard the food cheap. Little cutie. This is their big crispy chili burger, but it looks like they've just breaded an actual jalapeno and deep fried it. That's pretty seriously inventive. The sauce is delicious, crunchy texture is perfect, delicious burger.
Fish tacos, wonderful. Shall we see how it is? Let's do this. They're quite fishy, the texture's really, really good. This kind of like chopped cabbage slaw is complementing it really well, but this isn't the best fish taco I've ever had, but it's a pretty good effort.
How come you're still following me? I'm on my way to work, I told you that already. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed that video. Healthy Junk was incredible, Anaheim was fun, and LA was great. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments, what food you like in LA if you're around that area, and obviously subscribe if you're not already. We'll see you tomorrow for another Daily BOSH. BOSH!